Palm Coast fans, you've got to see this. This award-winning, brand new home is built solid with full concrete block construction, and it's right in the middle of a beautiful golf course community. Did I also add that it's multi-generational? It has its own private suite. There's no homeowners association or CDD associated with this. It's on a conservation lot, and here's a big plus. It's only 15 minutes from Flagler Beach, and it's got great shopping and dining nearby. I'm going to show you this house, and we're going to get started right now. Just to give you a little refresher, we're going to put a map up so you can see where Palm Coast, Florida is located. It's 1 hour drive from Jacksonville, Florida. It's only 15 minutes from Flagler Beach, and it's only 30 minutes from Daytona Beach. I'm going to give you a little bit of background on the builder that we're featuring today. This is ASCENT HOMES. Now this is a veteran-owned business, and I spoke with the owner and the builder, Sam, and he is super cool, and he explained all of the features of this home to me personally, and I can tell you that this house is loaded. Hopefully I don't overlook any of the features that he went over with me, but I can definitely take care of you if you want to make a personal tour. Now, this home is priced at $650,000. It's 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. It's 2,517 square feet. It's on a oversized preserve lot. It has underground utilities coming into the home. It's on city water, city sewer. It's full concrete block, full stucco exterior. It's got guttering in the front. And I'm going to point out some of the features of the outside before we run into the inside. So let's check that out. All right, first of all, you got this beautiful, fully upgraded garage door with all these panels in it. Again, you're seeing the exterior of the house. It's full stucco, and you do have guttering here in the front. You got this beautiful stone accents around the base of the home. And let's not overlook this. This is a great feature right here. In addition to having a really nice, long, wide driveway, it's got this nice circular feature, semicircular feature already built into it as well. Now, continuing on with the exterior of the home, this is stucco siding, stucco lap siding, yes. I had never seen that before today. And from what I understand, they use that on very high-end beaches homes here in Palm Coast. The other thing I wanted you to see, I spoke about that multi-generational suite. This right here is a separate entrance into the home that can be utilized for that multi-generational suite. So now we're going to walk inside and get rolling on the tour right now. Let me add, on the exterior, you have this beautiful 4-panel glass door, 8-foot opening, and those are privacy panes in this doorway. All right, I'm showing you the flooring because this is plank tile flooring, and it is throughout the entire home. There is no carpet, and the builder, ASCENT HOMES, they do not use LVP whatsoever. Looking back at the front of the home, we're going to hang a right, and this is the what can be a private suite with like a secondary primary bedroom. You have this very nice kitchenette area, which you could have for dining. You could put a futon here if you wanted. It's got a full sink. It's got a wine chiller refrigerator there, cabinets. And then moving forward, a very large, generously sized bedroom. nice walk-in closet there. And here we have its own ensuite bathroom with a walk-in shower. It's got the nice thick panel glass doorway there in. This is something that I want you to see also in all of the bathrooms that have, of course, showers and bathtubs. You have this beautiful mirror here, which has built into it the ability to defog. If you have a nice hot steamy shower, you can change the lighting scheme. That's pretty cool, right? Real quick, my name's Jay Wike. I'm a local realtor here in the Jacksonville, Florida area. In case we haven't met before, just wanted to introduce myself quickly. I help people with buying, selling, investing, and building homes throughout Northeast Florida. I've helped many YouTube customers do just that. And you can also find my contact information in the comments as well as the description of this video. Reach out to me. I'm always happy to help you make a smooth move to the Jacksonville, Florida area. Of course, as I showed you before, this goes to the exterior of the home. It can be a separate entrance in for that multi-generational suite. Now, coming across the hallway, this is a really cool pocket office, and it has the barn door here. And this is what I call just the right size. It's not oversized, it's just large enough that you can get full utilization of the space. If you're an artist, you could use this for an art studio, or if you're a YouTuber, you could use this for a YouTube studio. Great for college student. Continuing on. Across the entrance here. To our right is the half bathroom. Of course, this one will not have the fancy mirror there because there's no shower here or tub. All right, I'm going to give you a good look at the interior here. Now, this is one of the trademarks of this builder, ASCENT builder. What they use is a specific material. It's pre-stained and sanded product, which eliminates unsightly lines. And as will happen with a lot of tongue and groove woodwork and ceilings, it expands and contracts, and then you see gaps in the lines. You will not see that with this, not at all. The ceilings in this home are 9 feet 4 inches, and then in these recessed areas, in the main living area and the primary suite, that goes up to 10 feet. Here we have the kitchen with these beautiful white shaker cabinets. These are 42-inch cabinets with crown molding. Here you have a wine chiller. You have a coffee espresso bar here area. Here you have a set of wall ovens, a microwave up top, oven below. You have these beautiful pendant lights. This is quartz countertops, and this is 3 centimeter quartz countertops throughout the house. And they are extra thick. Going to take a spin to our left and go forward. This will be the entrance in from your garage. And you know me, I'm a garage guy. I want you to see this. Of course, seeing is believing. This home is, of course, concrete block. As I alluded to before, it's got electric door lift. It has a separate sprinkler meter and watering system, irrigation system. There's your electrical panel. There's your hot water heater. And then you've got this nice inset area here where you could put surfboards, scooters, what have you. Now you have this beautiful stop and drop area. And yes, this is load bearing because I sat on it. The builder proved it to me and he sat there as well. This is the laundry room. Now I want you to also see up close these nice high very high baseboards that they have throughout this home. You got a smart thermostat. You've got this huge walk-in pantry that is much larger than you'll find in most homes. Stainless steel appliances. Very large island kitchen. This is a fully vented range hood. And hopefully I can capture this for you, but this is an electric stove top. It has 5 burners with the inset burners. And then these controls can actually be operated with this dial. You can move it around and adjust, or you can just use your finger and go that way if you want. It's all electronic, beautiful. Another look at the kitchen. Nice look at the main living area. Now let's talk about these sliding glass doors here. These are oversized sliding glass doors. They have impact rated frames for a more solid feel, and these open from both directions. So you can open from this side, or you can open from this side. This is pre-plumbed for an outdoor kitchen, so you can do a lot of entertaining out here. Of course, you could put a ceiling fan up there if you wanted to, or enclose this. You've got this huge backyard with that conservation, preserve, wooded area behind you here. That is currently a vacant lot. It is not listed for sale by the builder, but I am making you aware that it is a vacant lot next door. You do have one homeowner here to the left, and as they have evidence, they have a in-ground pool as well, which you could certainly do with this ample backyard if this became your home as well. Now, all of the front panel TV wires are already run in all of the bedrooms for high or low TV mounts. So you can go high or low with a TV mount. Same goes here for in the living room. This is going to be bedroom number 2. Has a very nice walk-in closet as well. This is full bathroom number 2. Of course, it has that incredible Vanity mirror there. Beautiful plumbing fixtures. And this one is tiled all the way up to the ceiling. This tub shower combination. Note the upgraded plumbing fixtures throughout the home. This will be not full. This will be bedroom number 3. Again, nice look out from your window onto the backyard. Plank tile in every room of the home. Nice linen closet here. Walking across the home. Here you have a nice dining area. And we are about to walk into the primary suite. I wanted to point out that all of the casings around the windows and doors have also been upgraded to give you a much more beautiful feel, and it shows you the quality of this home. Nothing was skimped. Again, you have this beautiful recessed ceiling, which you also had in the main living area. Plenty of room for furniture. Have a king-size bed here with nightstands as well. Crown molding. Here we are in the bathroom of the primary suite. Linen closet here. Beautiful walk-in shower with tile up to the ceiling. It's got a rain shower head with separate controls. Nice transom window giving you lots of natural light. Dual sinks. Very nice cabinetry, and again you have these beautiful mirrors with these features, which I showed you earlier. Water closet here to my right, and then a quite generous split primary closet. So here you have this side, which is pretty huge. Then you have this half wall separating it. You walk around the corner, and you have this side. So what do you think? This home has solid concrete block construction, no HOA, no CDD, and that amazing multi-generational suite. It's also only minutes from Palm Coast's finest shopping and dining, 15 minutes from Flagler Beach, and it hits on all 3: space, privacy, and value. If you'd like to see this home in person or get a list from me of homes that are available for sale right now in Palm Coast, give me a call, text, or email. I'll help you find the perfect fit. And until next time, I'll see you around town.